I made a huge batch of chili last night, so I get to make dessert tonight. And this is my sister's favorite, salted caramel cheesecake. And it all starts out with this awesome crust. The crust is made with these salted caramel cookies, and they're so delicious. They got little caramel chips in them. A little butter and some sugar, and there you have it. Super simple. Just pop it in the freezer, it sets, and it's ready to hold that velvety filling. Beating the cream cheese and sugar makes this super silky. Some sour cream to make it extra smooth, flour for structure, vanilla to amp it all up, lemon zest for a bright pop, and eggs. Now I've got to get this into this so it can go into that. Look at how smooth and creamy this is. My sister Steph is gonna love this. I'm putting a little paper towel over top so it avoids any condensation from getting on that crust. I want it to stay nice and smooth. Pressure's on, and by the time I make us a cup of tea, this is gonna be ready. Look at this cheesecake. That top is so nice and smooth. There's no cracks in it. I mean, I almost don't want to cover it, but I promise you a salty caramel cheesecake. And here, I've got some homemade caramel. Look at this. It's rich and silky. The perfect top, if I say so myself. A little extra salt for crunch and that nice little salty bite. Looks like little snowflakes on this. I'm gonna have this set, clean up a little bit, and then it's time to try this. Wow, this looks so pretty. Is it not the cutest? Okay, time to dig in. Look at those layers. I love how fluffy and creamy that cheesecake is. And my favorite part of that is that nice little zing I get from that lemon zest. It's so refreshing with that creaminess and the crispy crust and that light little crunch from those little salt flakes I put at the end. It's a perfect cheesecake.